Welcome to ArchiCAD Forum. In today's video, let's learn how to use the Auto Text tool in ArchiCAD. Draw a wall, activate the Label tool. Left-click on the wall to place the label onto it. Adjust the label to fit your preferences. In the label, you can add in custom texts. Let's double-check the element ID to confirm the name. Place the cursor at the end of the word and press Enter. Add custom text. Click on the Auto Text icon. Search for any parameter you would love to add. Select it and click Add. Add the units manually. You can add as many parameters. Use the Pickup parameter icon and injection icon to copy and paste the label tool on other similar elements. The auto text in the label can be applied on any element, even windows. Adjust parameters to fit settings of the element you are labeling. When a window is adjusted, the wall volume will change. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and share for more videos like this.